Welcome to my YouTube channel Saqib Tech. I hope all of you are doing great. So iterating through a dictionary, how to access all the elements from a dictionary. In today's lecture we are going to cover how to iterate through a dictionary. So for example, if we are created a dictionary of marks, we have marks of 3 subjects. I want to print all the marks using subject name. Then after that I want to print the marks. What I will do, there is a simple loop for subject in marks. I will print subject. What it will print, it will only print a subject. Okay, this loop will print only subject, because for subject in marks, if I'm only writing marks, it is accessing me the keys. Okay, so this loop will be printing only math, science and social. It will be not be printing the marks. But what are the methods to print subjects as well as their marks? Means that how to print key as well as values in the dictionary through loop. I will write for subject in marks, then I will write score is equal to marks of subject. You know, subject have key. So if I want to access any value using key, I will write marks of that key. For example, first of time it will have on the subject is math. If I'm writing marks of math, then 45 will be stored in the score, and I'm printing subject colon score. So for example, marks math colon 45, it will be printing math colon 45, science colon 23 and social colon 38 on the screen. And there is another method, let's look at it. If I'm trying to print all the keys, I will use math.keys, that is a built-in function of dictionary, and marks.values, it's used to get all the values. But there is another method known as items, and items present both marks and values, key and values. I'm writing for subject colon score, for key colon value, you can give any name, for key colon value in marks.items. You are printing key colon value. In subject colon score, you need to print subject colon score. It will be printed in beautiful way. You don't need to write like this. First you have to get score and blah blah. So this is an easy method. Okay, I mostly use this. There are some other method you can use in dictionary. Clear, I have told you. Copy, that's also a shallow copy that we have done on the list method. If you have not watched that video, please refer to that video. You will get the idea about it. And from keys, return the new dictionary with keys from a sequence value equal to the default values to null. Okay, but using get, you can get any value of a particular item. Items, you will get all the items in dictionary with key and values. Using key, you will only get keys. Using pop, you can remove an element from list. Using pop item, you will return a arbitrary element or a random element. And then set default key, you can set any default key if there is a no key presented. And then update, you can update the dictionary with the key value pair from other overwriting existing keys. And then there is a values to return all the value from the dictionaries. So as I told you, there are some two important built-in methods in the dictionary named as length and sorted. Length, what it will return, it will print simply how many items presented inside a list. For example, this is in a dictionary. For example, there is a square and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. But if I am writing length of square, it will be printing me the 5. And there is an element named as sorted. What it will do, it will sort the dictionary in ascending or descending order. Here it will be printing in the ascending order because I have simply sent squares inside a sorted function. So I hope you have got some idea of dictionary. We can simply create a dictionary using key values, and we can display any values. You can add any value to the dictionary. You can remove any value using del. You can remove anything. You can search any value using in and not in. Okay, and similarly you can display a value using creating a dictionary. For example, you can create dictionary inside dictionary. You can create list inside list. We will be covering in the future lecture. Let's quickly look at that. We can create dictionary inside dictionary. And now we have got some idea of dictionaries. Now we will be practicing what we have learned with a simple example of students. And let's go to our Jupyter notebook and practice today's lecture. So we are going to practice dictionary. So now I think you need to have a look at that. What we will do, we will be, for example, creating a dictionary. Creating a dictionary is very easy. You need to write name of dictionary equal to operator, then these brackets. Inside these brackets I will have key value pair. For example, I want to store the marks of 5 students. I can quickly give the names, and then I will colon. After colon I am writing marks. Okay, then I am creating another name, for example Muhammad, and then I will be giving marks. Okay, there are 2 students, then I will write anything else quickly. Okay, another student and their name, for example their marks, and last one is student name and their marks. Okay, now I have 5 students with different names and different marks. I can't give same name. Okay, keep in mind there are different keys. Okay, and values can be same, but keys must be different, names must be different. We have created a dictionary. Now if I want to access a specific element in the dictionary, I will write print. I will write name of dictionary. I will write whatever. For example, I want to access marks of the Ahmad. I will write Ahmad inside that. If I print it, you can see 20 is printed. Okay, so if I want to print all the marks, I told you how to iterate over student dictionary. I will write for, I will write name colon marks. I'm using the my favorite method. Okay, for name colon marks in what students dot items. I told you items is a method to get both key and value. Both key and value will be getting using items. Okay, now I will be printing both. Okay, for example I'm writing name. Okay, and then I'm writing colon, and then I'm writing the comma marks. Okay, what it will print, let's look it. You can see it has printed name and then marks of all the students. There we have done. Now let me show you something. If I'm writing students dot clear, okay, we have seen clear and del method. Okay, if I'm writing students dot clear, you will see the difference. Okay, if I'm now printing the students in the form of dictionary, you can see that there is nothing inside that student. But if I'm writing student dot del to make you clear, okay, for example student dot del, no, it should be like that, del students. Okay, del students, it will delete all the student, and also the variable, it will not show this empty dictionary, it will show that name error. Okay, because there is no student present. Let's do, you can see there is a name error because I have deleted dictionary from the memory. But if I'm writing student of Ahmad, now it will only delete a single element from a list. Now look at this, you can see that only Ahmad is deleted. Okay, and another method we have seen our pop method. If I'm writing students dot pop, if I'm only removing one element, I'm writing Ali, you can see that only Ali will be removed from the dictionary. Okay, but if I'm writing pop item, okay, if I'm writing pop item, you can see any random element will be removed from the dictionary. Here can you see which element removed? Yes, here Heather is removed from the last element. Okay, so there are some methods that, another method that we have seen are, for example, sorted method. So there is another method we need to check is a sorted method. If I'm writing sorted, and inside that I need to pass students, what it will print, it will be printing student in the sorted order. You can see that Ahmad, Muhammad, Ali, of course this is sorting on the base of integer value, so this is a string value, that so it has got some you can say issues in sorting. But if I have dictionaries like in the form of number, it will be sorting in that particular way. Okay, so that was about today's lecture. I hope you have got some ideas about dictionary. This was the simple basic thing about dictionaries. In next lecture we will be solving real world problem. I will be solving programs, and you will also be solving with me. I will be giving you home tasks, and of course I will be providing you solution in the next videos. Till now, take care. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have learned anything, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and keep on supporting so I can create more content for you. And in future I have plans to create more videos about machine learning and artificial intelligence that will be possible just because of your support. Thank you so much. Take care.